Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab stick soup. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 8 ounces of crab sticks and 4 cups of broth. Next, prepare your vegetables and seasonings. Then, we'll combine everything in a pot to create a delicious and comforting soup. Finally, we'll discuss serving suggestions to make your meal perfect. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need about 8 ounces of imitation crab sticks, which are easy to find. For vegetables, 1 cup of a frozen mix, like corn and peas, works wonderfully. Ensure you have 4 cups of your preferred broth, either chicken or vegetable. Don't forget essential seasonings such as a tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Start by pouring your 4 cups of broth into a medium pot and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once simmering, add your 1 cup of mixed vegetables and cook for about 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Next, gently stir in the 8 ounces of crab sticks and let them heat through for just 1 minute. Finally, season with soy sauce and sesame oil to your liking. Once your crab stick soup is perfectly heated and seasoned, it's time to serve. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch of freshness and color, consider garnishing with some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve immediately to enjoy the warmth and comforting flavors. This simple, delicious soup is ideal for a quick lunch or a light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.